In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Shopify store with code. This walkthrough is perfect if you're a partner who needs collaborator access to a merchant store and you've been given a special request code to make the process quick and secure. Start by heading to the Shopify partner site and sign in with your partner account. This is important. You must be in your partner dashboard, not a regular store admin. If you land on a merchant style dashboard with products and orders, switch back to your partner account before continuing. Once you're in the partner dashboard, go to the stores section. This page lists any stores you already manage and it's where you'll kick off a new access request. Click add store. You'll see multiple options. Choose request access to a store. You're not creating a development store here. You're asking for collaborator access to an existing merchant store. Next, enter the store's URL. Use the store's myshopify.com address if you have it and make sure the spelling is exact. If the merchant gave you a custom domain, you can still proceed, but the myshopify.com URL is the most reliable identifier. Now enter the collaborator request code. This is a short code the store owner or admin provided to you. It's a security measure that confirms you're a legitimate partner. If you get an error, double check the code and ask the merchant to confirm it hasn't changed. You'll then choose the permissions your collaborator account should have. Select only what you need to complete your work, things like theme editing, orders, apps, or checkout settings, depending on your task. Less is more here. You can always request additional access later if your scope expands. If you're unsure which permissions are required, clarify with the merchant to avoid delays. When your selections look right, click Request Access to Store. At this point, the merchant gets a notification in their admin and often an email. They'll review your request, see the permissions you asked for, and approve or adjust them. You'll receive a confirmation once it's approved, and the store will appear in your stores list inside the partner dashboard. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the stores section or the add store button, make sure your partner account has the right organization permissions. If the request code keeps failing, it may have expired or been regenerated. Ask the merchant for an updated code. Finally, include a brief message with your request explaining what you'll be working on. It helps the merchant approve you faster. That's it, simple, secure, and professional. Thanks for watching and good luck with your collaborator access.